Hey guys, it's Abby from Smartass and Sass, and I am here to show you what was in the October 2020 box. So this month's theme was feeling stabby, and it was all sort of inspired by Halloween and the time of year. We only had one product that was truly sort of Halloween themed, but I'll get to those in a second. So every month you get a booklet in the box that shows you everything you're getting, where it came from, who made it, where you can get more of their stuff, how you can follow them on social, all of that fun stuff. So let's dig in. So the spoiler item for this box was this candle. And this is from Ryan Porter, and it says, "Girl, you need to calm the F down," and it is 9 ounces. And the scent is Japanese cherry blossom. It is florally, it's very pretty. Normally I don't pick floral scents for candles, but I do really like this one, so there's that. All right, next up we have an item that we designed here at S&S. So it comes in this cute little velour pouch. It is a no-touch tool, so in these COVID-y times, in these anti-germ times, we designed this tool that is meant to, press buttons, open handles, stuff like that, so that you don't have to touch things when you're out in public. So it says no touching on it, and then we also added this cute little faux leather tassel. So it is a keychain, can go on your keys, and again, it came in this little pouch. Okay, next we have a coffee sample. So this came from Blackout Coffee Co. It is 4 ounces and it's ground. So you can use it in your coffee pot. You can use it in a Keurig if you have one of those little reusable K-cup things. But the flavor is Morning Reaper and it's a medium roast. It smells so good and it has a little, scent thing on the back, but there's that one. Next up we have a magnet, and this comes from Moonlight Makers. Oh, this comes from Steel Pedal Press, and it says fresh out of Fucks. So yeah, it is a 2" by 3" I believe that one is. Next we have, let's see, another item that we designed here at S&S. It is a self-inking stamp. We called it the Note stamp. So it comes in this little branded box, and then it looks like this. So it says, so it's gonna look like that. It's black ink, and it just stamps out Nope. You can kind of see. We've seen some pretty fun. We had some subscribers who got another person's mail, so they stamped Nope on it. People were having fun with it at their offices. Okay, next we have, this was the first time we've done a product like this. So it's a manicure kit, and I'll show you the inside here in a second, but it says feeling kind of stabby on the front. And this is I believe it was another faux leather product. So inside we have a 10-piece kit, and I just dropped the scissors. We actually had to look up what some of these things did because, we didn't know. None of us are nail pros, but it came with all of these awesome tools that are in a matte black finish in this cute little pouch. Okay, next we have an oversized tote that we did, and it is a mint color. It's a canvas, and it says back off. It's a really thick canvas, and it's a really huge bag. We have kind of become obsessed with doing these oversized bags that are good for taking to the grocery store. You can pack a ton of stuff in there. And then we're also big fans of doing this gusseted bottom so that it's flat and gives you more space for things on the inside. So there's that guy, it is very big. Okay, and then the last box item is what we call the collectible item. And so this was our final collectible sticker of this sticker series, and it's also an item that shirt-only subscribers get with their t-shirt as well. So here's our final sticker design, and this is obviously the Halloween themed item that we did. So it's a witch's middle finger, and it says "Can you not?" So this is a durable vinyl sticker, very good quality, and you know, as you can see, this one actually includes 2 stickers. So those are all the items in the box. And then last but not least, we have the October t-shirt. So I have that here, and it's in a heather forest color, and it says, "I'm not always rude, sometimes I'm sleeping." And it has this floral design on it. So we have a couple different colors printed on here, a couple greens, a pink, and a white. So that was it for October. We do have some of these items still available in the shop, and we have some of the t-shirts, so I will share the links for those. And if you want to subscribe, the cutoff is normally the 13th of the coming month. And I'll post the link where you can check out spoilers for this month and see all the details. Thanks.